So, it's Mitten Maid right here, and we got
Banana Man 5000.
Banana Man 5000, and we're gonna do a little Nerf battle. So, should be pretty fun. He's pretty armored up there. Got my little, so.
Thank you, Amazon special.
All right. So he's got his equipped. I got my gear ready. We're right there, and yeah, we're just gonna go run around and have some fun here. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
All right, here we go, man.
Okay, you start over there, I'll start over here.
Copy that. All right, here we go. We'll go this way. This is my rifle. There are many, but this one is mine. Suckers. Alright, where should we hide? I guess we don't know where he's gonna be. See him anywhere? Oh, dang, there he is. Oh, see him? Oh, he's got me. He's got me. Oh no, he moved. He moved. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. What? That's cheating. Oh no. Oh no! Oh! That was so close! Shoot. Oh gosh! Yeah. Good. He's pretty good. Oh, boy. That in my pouch here. Reloaded. Okay. Let's see him. Don't see him anywhere. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there's Mike. There's Mike. I don't see Colton though. Time out, we got leaves in the shoes. See anybody over there? Hey! Damn! Stick up on me, it's supposed to. Whoa. Ooh, that was close. Ooh! Ah! Nice shot. I'm going in deep. Going in. I'm going. Oh gosh, it got me.
Okay, back up for 10 seconds.
Got me. Ten. Joy. Recording, absolutely. This boy, he's got me in the arm pretty good. If you can see that, but it definitely hurt a little bit. But that's alright. Oh there, gosh, there he is. Did you see that? We're going in. We're going in. Oh, he's got a jam. He's got a jam up. He's got a jam up. Perfect time. Oh yeah. He's got a jam up. Come on. Don't fail me now. Back, don't fail me now. Back up ammo, don't fail me now. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come here. Come here, little boy. Ah!
Back up.
Hey, whoa. Oh, look at this. What do you say?
Thank you.
Sweet. Thanks, neighbor. Thanks, Chris.
I'll never use it. You might as well have fun with it.
Thank you. Look at you, man. How you gonna tear me apart?
No, we don't need no scissors. We just need meat. Banana
What do you say, Banana Man?
My name is Banana Man Strong, and now
Say what? Thank you to who?
Chris.
All right. This is thanks everybody for watching our video and watching our Nerf battle and
Yep.
having us have a good time out here in Michigan. Nice, beautiful first day of what, spring? This is it's still spring. So what? It's 75.
And it feels like 57.
Especially wearing all this stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
And if you want us to see, like and subscribe.
Watch this.